Good morning. My name is Joseph Carter. I worked with Emily Dickey and Jared Fagan on our experiment this week. Our experiment was looking at the transformation of E. coli cells and more specifically examined the effect of magnesium chloride versus calcium chloride on the transformation efficiency.
So transformation is the addition of foreign DNA into cells that lead to an alteration of the genetic makeup. We transformed E. coli cells using plasmids that carry the ampicillin resistance gene, which makes it resistant to antibiotics. These plasmids also carry the green fluorescent protein gene that makes the newly transformed bacteria glow green. The variable we tested was the effects of using calcium chloride competent cells versus magnesium chloride competent cells on the transformation efficiency. The role it played during setup and plating was exactly the same as the calcium competent cells. We just included 5 extra plates of the dilution series using plus plasmid magnesium chloride and 5 plates using the plus plasmid calcium chloride. We believe that the use of magnesium chloride would increase the transformation efficiency. Therefore, the hypothesis we are testing is if you use magnesium chloride instead of calcium chloride, then the transformation efficiency will increase.
All right, so looking at the results, we tested 3 different types of cells. We had the transformed cells plus the pea green plasmid with the calcium chloride as our salt. We had the transformed cells plus the pea green plasmid with the magnesium chloride as our salt, which was the variable we were looking to compare. And then we had our non-transformed cells that did not contain the pea green plasmid. As you can see, just the control variable, we got a lawn amount of bacteria on all 3 of those plates. Looking at the transformed cells compared to week 1 when we did this experiment, the 1-to-1 ampicillin dilution showed a lot more colonies, 322 for the calcium chloride plus pea green plasmid plates. But the transformed cells plus the magnesium chloride plates showed a very low growth of colonies, looking at 13, whereas the non-transformed cells that did not contain the pea green plasmid showed no growth. The transformed cells with the magnesium chloride and the plasmid experienced no growth when we got up to the higher dilutions, looking at the 1-to-1000 dilution, whereas the calcium chloride and pea green plasmid transformed cells were able to maintain just the slightest amount of growth with 1 colony growing on the 1-to-1000 dilution. So these are our pictures of our plates. So they are labeled accordingly to what kind of dilution it was and if ampicillin was involved. As you can see, the picture in the middle there is the ampicillin 1-to-1 transformed plus the pea green plasmid and with the calcium chloride being used as a salt. That's where we observed the most colonies at 322. And in comparison to that, the picture on the far right is the ampicillin 1-to-1 dilution, but instead this one has the magnesium chloride as the salt. And as you can see, there is not as many colonies on there, and that was not what we originally thought we were going to see. So then calculating the fold difference. To calculate the fold difference, first you have to calculate the transformation efficiency of both of the cells we were looking at. So the normal transformation efficiency was the cells with the pea green plasmid and the calcium chloride. And when we calculated that, we came up with 6.44 times 10 to the 4th colonies per microgram per milliliter. And then when we looked at the variable transformation efficiency, which was the cells with the pea green plasmid and the magnesium chloride as their salt, we got 2.60 times 10 to the 3rd colonies per microgram per milliliter. So then to calculate the fold difference, we take the variable transformation efficiency, subtract it from the normal transformation efficiency, and then divide again by the normal transformation efficiency. And when we did that, we came up with a negative 0.96 as our answer, which shows that our variable exhibited a significant difference as it was less than negative 0.50.
So in conclusion, as we just talked about with our results, according to those results, the transformation efficiency actually decreased when using magnesium chloride in comparison to using the calcium chloride. It was a very obvious difference based on the pictures, and this conclusion did not support our hypothesis. There's our references, and there's a little joke for you guys. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.